Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must complete the Raid Unlock quest and have the key item in inventory. Confirm your game is updated to the latest patch and that the event is active. Gather a party of 5 players at level 50 or higher before the weekly reset. Assign one player as leader to manage invites and inventory checks. Reserve 30 minutes for unlocking steps and charge 3 ritual items beforehand. Check each player for required resistances and assigned roles prior to traveling to the altar zone. Place the 3 ritual items on the altar in the correct order within 5 minutes. 2 players should stand on the eastern and western pads to stabilize the summoning field. Use the key item at the altar to begin the summoning and start a 10-minute timer. Avoid interrupting the channel by moving or attacking until the chant fully completes. Defeat the mini-boss during the activation window to fully summon the raid boss. If the mini-boss escapes, the ritual fails and you must restart the process. Manage 3 boss phases triggered at 75%, 40%, and 15% health using interrupts. Assign cooldowns for heavy damage during Phase 2 and prepare movement plans for area attacks. Use stuns and silence spells to prevent the boss from casting catastrophic abilities. The raid boss drops loot with a 25% chance for the rare item and 5,000 gold average. Loot is divided by group role and leads are responsible for distributing crafting materials. You have 3 attempts per week to claim drops before the weekly reset cancels progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.